Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diha. Usap-usapan ngayon sa mundo ng boxing ang posibleng pagkaharap ni IBF Junior Bantamweight Champion na si Jerwin Angkahas kontra sa 4th Division at kasulukuyang WBO Champion na si Kazuto Ioka ng Japan. Matapos madipinsaan ang titulo via unanimous decision noong September 1 kontra sa rank number 2 contender na si Francisco Rodriguez ng Mexico, ay nagpahayag agad itong si Ioka ng kagustuhang makaharap si Jerwin Angkahas para sa isang unification fight. At sakto din na ito ang pangarap ni Jerwin Angkahas mga pre, ang ma-unify ang super flyweight o junior bantamweight, kaya posible daw talagang matuloy ang laban pero sa susunod na taon pa dahil sa magdidipinsa muna daw si Angkahas ngayong taon. May kartada itong Hapon na 27 wins, 2 losses, 15 knockout. May edad na 32 at kasalukuyang rank number 10 pound for pound ng The Ring, rank number 3 junior bantamweight ng The Ring at Transnational Boxing Ranking Board, number 4 ng ESPN at number 3 ng BoxRec. Habang si Angkahas ay may kartadang 33 wins, only 1 defeat. May 2 tabla, 22 via knockout. May edad na 29. Kasalukuyang rank number 4 junior bantamweight ng The Ring at Transnational Boxing Ranking Board, number 5 ng ESPN at number 6 ng BoxRec. Ang mananalo daw sa dalawa ay ang posible umanong makaharap ng WBA, WBC at The Ring champion na si Juan Francisco Estrada ng Mexico. Kung may kasa ang napakagandang laban na to mga pre, kanino ka? Sabay nating panoorin mga pre ang top knockout highlights ng kanilang mga laban.
Opening, and he's attacking it, and he's digging, he's punching through the ribs of his opponent. Nice uppercut, and his opponent is hurt. And here comes Jerwin Angkahas trying to finish Miguel Gonzalez here in a round 6 of this World Championship fight. Gonzalez holding on for dear life, and down he goes. But Jerwin Angkahas swings and misses, but Gonzalez is not well. His legs are wobbly, and the left to the shot. It would have been better for him to go down, because if not, Wayne Hedgepeth had no choice.
A derecha, cerca de la tetracampeonato.
¡Oh, la izquierda
Oh.
venenosa y se va la lona!
Rostro.
Y esto ahora.
Esa
Pero
izquierda
la
se
otra-
la había conectado varias veces, ¿ah?
Sí, claro, pero
Kazuto Ioka hoy.
ha demostrado que es capaz.
5.
¡Oh, la
Uy, otro.
izquierda nuevamente!
Queda mucho
Oh.
tiempo. Caídas, tiene que buscar el intercambio y conectar un buen crochet como el que estamos viendo en la repetición, pero que lo
Oh, al blanco.
puede dar más calmado, mientras que Tanaka todo su
Izquierda en problemas y cuidado.
Y se
nomás,
acabó.
Volando grandes al país de los sueños. Cortesía.
Nice little chopping right hand there from Conlon. Oh, now. Oh, what's happened here? Well, what's happened here? Oh, massive body shot again. Conlon, I thought momentarily was going to go down. Now, huge body shots coming in again. And this time he does go down. Of another huge round for the Filipino. More massive body chops coming in. Is he going to go down again? No, he doesn't. Somehow manages to stay.
Going to come back with that left hook there, wasn't he? And again, but Angkahas sustained pressure, sustained attack.
3 knockdowns now. Ooh. Conlon, Fury turned. Down he goes again. Right hand this time. Conlon thinks it was round the back of the head, but it was more on the side of the head. Looking a little bit bemused, and he stopped it.
He was going into this. Ioka, it seemed like
Right hand left, a big right, then another left. Huge combination from Ioka. Polite suddenly holding on. Enormous right and another. Polite in all sorts of trouble. Ioka looking for the finish line. And that is it. Game, set, match. World title.
They are the comp you demanded for the champion. And
Inside all the time, can do more things. He can go get you, as he's doing right now.
good body
go to
shot.
the body.
And he knocks him down with a thudding blow to the midsection.
6, 7, 8.
Kinoshita back up here in round 7. He waves it off. He cannot continue. It is waved off.
を見つめ直した井岡。さらに凄みを増したが。もうちょっとフラフラしてんな。
次に当たると変わると思います。
左、右、足が振りついた。右ストレート、左フック。シャンピオン井岡。ワンツースリー。右ストレート、足が振りついた。右ワンツー、ワンツースリー、フォーファイブシックス。足が崩れた。立ち上がることができない。カウントライン、10カウント。井岡。
We pointed out back in the first round, a lot of it has to do with the way he drops his left hand. You see, and I'll tell you, Ancajas has some nice speed and a straight left hand drops him. How about that? 9 and 10, a knockout in the third round, scored off the, and it was the. And down he goes. Again, watch the left hand. Bang! Right there, right on the chin. And he crumbles down. Notice the way he stays out.
井岡が出る。ボディを狙う井岡、左フック。顔面だ。井岡が右ストレート。足が止まった。ガードが下がった。細かいラッシュ。鋭いラッシュ。井岡出ていく。井岡のパンチ。連打を振る。パンチを受けながらも1秒第8ラウンド。強振の右ストレート。相手もフラフラ。足が伸びきってきました。井岡が行く。井岡が出ます。強烈なパンチ。アルバート・アルコイ。左フック、ふらついた。足が止まりました。カウンターで出た井岡見せます。睨むような視線。右ストレート、ワンツー入りました。ここでダウン。
Znakomity oczywiście Izrael Gonzalez jest mający wszystkie elementy, ale chyba znowu odczuł to uderzenie.
No trafił teraz lewym, znakomicie.
Dlaczego wcześniej tego nie robił?
Teraz mocny, teraz bardzo
już koniec.
mocny lewy sierpo.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.